Schools.
A representative with the Tennessee Disability Coalition says that Kingsport City Schools was out of line in their handling with a child abuse case. Good evening, I'm Ansley Daniel in for Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Josh Smith. Michelle Carpenter has been indicted by the Sullivan County grand jury on 20 counts of felony child abuse and neglect. She's a special education teacher with Kingsport City Schools and is on unpaid suspension from the school district tonight. Kingsport City Schools now being criticized in a grand jury report and by the Sullivan County District Attorney's Office for how they handle the situation. News Channel 11's Clarice Shaley spoke with a disability advocate about how abuse cases involving special needs children should be handled.
Yeah, Josh and Ainsley, the Sullivan County Assistant District Attorney tells us mandatory reporting laws require a school system to report abuse allegations and not conduct their own investigation, something Kingsport City Schools are accused of violating. A representative with the Tennessee Disability Coalition says that these laws are in place to ensure that children are kept safe.
If you care deeply about kids, it's your responsibility to protect them as well.
Tennessee laws on child abuse reporting are very clear. Anyone from school personnel to a regular member of the public must report suspected abuse to children's services and law enforcement and resist the urge to get involved in any way. Coordinator of Government and External Affairs for the Tennessee Disability Coalition, Jeff Strand, says this improves authorities' chance of holding guilty people accountable.
You might not always be as objective as you want to be in a tough situation like this, but it is absolutely vital that you follow that law to a T because we know that it protects kids.
The Sullivan County District Attorney's Office says the school district had the proper training but conducted its own investigation for nearly 2 weeks into abuse allegations against pre-K teacher Michelle Carpenter before reporting it to authorities.
We tell them, number one thing, don't investigate. I know it's counterintuitive to you, but if you see something, you hear something, you suspect it's child abuse, just report it, step out of the way, and let the investigators do their job.
News Channel 11 has spoken to parents of special needs children in Michelle Carpenter's class during this investigation who tried to ask school officials for more information and said they got no response.
That looks to me more like we're protecting ourselves.
Strand understands why school districts want to maintain a good public appearance, but this could open them up to civil liability.
So I can see where a principal or administration might make a poor decision that they think is protecting the image of the school or the rights of a teacher, but they're really just allowing harm to continue to the child.
I've reached out to the school district and Board of Education members, but they have refused to comment any further. Michelle Carpenter is currently being held at the Sullivan County Jail under a $25,000 bond.